The first step in a good line follow code is finding the line. As you can see here, all we do is drive forward until we see the black line and then stop. Now turn that into a my block. Once we've found the line, we want the robot to swing around to the left or the right so it's in a good position to start following the line. To do that, I've gone to more motors and pulled out the start moving and changed one motor to 15 and the other motor to -15. And it's going to spin until the color sensor reads a number bigger than 50. I chose the number 50 as that's the number roughly when the color sensor is half on white and half on black. That means the robot will stop right on the edge of the line, as you can see here. However, if we want to swing left instead of right, we need to reverse the motors. The best way to do that is times them both by -1. That way, when we make a my block, we can just use a variable instead of having to manually change it each time. Now we can type into the my block 1 to swing right or -1 to swing left. The next step is to actually follow the line. You can see here I use a proportional line follow code to follow the line for 3 seconds. 45 is the reflected light intensity value I get when I put the color sensor exactly half on white and half on black in my current lighting conditions. Add an input called time to control how long it follows the line for. Here I noticed the robot was only following the left edge of the line, which is not ideal because you don't want to cross the line. To follow the other edge of the line, you can times your start moving block by -1. The only issue I had now was to swing right was 1, but to follow the right edge was -1, so I needed to multiply again by a negative. That way, when I use the variable 1 in my big my block I'm about to make, it will swing right and also follow the right side of the line. At -1, it will swing left and follow the left side of the line. The final step is to create one master my block to control the 3 parts: find a line, acquire the line, and follow the line. Add the variables left and right and time. Connect the 3 other my blocks and test it out.